guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I will show you how to make a turtle pillow with our velvet yarn. So it's really big and heavy, and this is the back of it, this is the top. It has beautiful legs, head, legs on the back, and a tail. And I made it with our white and blue color velvet yarn. My first one was made with our mint and gray color velvet. So this is perfect pillow for a bed, or it's actually perfect floor pillow, guys. So if you want to make one, you will need a lot of our yarn. It's actually 5 pounds. So I use 2 pounds of white and I use 3 pounds of our blue. So if you have this yarn ready, and I also use the pillow insert that is 20 inches in diameter. You can buy it on our website, BeCozi.net, and velvet yarn is available there too. Let's get started.